come down, and today we're going to copy an angle, and then we're going to bisect the angle. So the first thing you're going to do is it tells you to draw ray QM. Okay, so come down here, use your straight edge. Now guys, if you don't have a protractor or ruler, do you have to have one of those to use for a straight edge? No, what can you use? Use paper, use your ID. There's just anything straight, okay? And you're drawing ray QM. Okay? From here, what you're going to do is take your compass, put the metal part on the original vertex of angle A. Okay? Then open up your compass. It doesn't really matter how wide it is. Just open it up a little bit, and you're going to make an arc that goes through both rays of your original angle. Okay? From there, do not move your compass. Don't open it or close it anymore. And come down to the ray you just drew. Put the metal part on point Q, okay, on your end point of the segment you just drew, and you're going to draw the exact same arc. Okay, so this is what should be on your paper right now. Go ahead, draw the same arc. From here, I want you to go put the metal part on the intersection point between, on your original picture, you're going to put the metal part on the intersection of your arc and your bottom ray. Okay? Then, what you're going to do is open your compass to where the pencil part of your compass touches, it should touch the intersection of the arc and the other ray. Okay, does that make sense? So just open it that wide. So basically you're measuring the distance between the two intersection points of your arc. Does everyone have that? Now, come down. Don't open your don't change your compass. Bring it down. Put the metal part on the intersection of your ray and your arc that you've drawn. And draw another arc with your pencil. Okay. Now, you have your endpoint Q and you have the intersection of your two arcs. Use your straight edge and connect those 2 points. So now you're going to connect those 2, point Q and your intersection point. And now you've copied your angle. How can you double check that?
Put your protractor on this.
Put your protractor. See, is it the same? Yeah. And we would just label this one P. And now the measure of angle PQR equals the measure of angle BAC. Okay? Now, since I used equals, and I'm talking about the degree of those angles. That's why I had to use measure of. Okay, when you use congruent, you're talking about the shape itself. Does congruent involve any numbers? No. So congruent would have been angle PQR is congruent, equals with a little squiggle is congruent to angle BAC. Okay, do we see the difference there? Equals has a measure, congruent does not, just like in segments. Segment has a, with segments, equals has no segment bar. With congruent, you have to have that segment bar. Okay? So, from here, to bisect, we're going to bisect this angle. Okay, actually, we're going to go to the next page. On this next one, we're going to bisect the angle. Okay? This should be construction 4. The first thing I want you to do is take your compass, put the metal part on vertex A. Okay? Put the metal part on your vertex A. And then open up your compass just a little bit. Okay? Doesn't matter how much. And you're going to draw an arc again, the same way we did for copying an angle. So just draw an arc through both rays of your angle. Okay? Make sure your arc goes all the way through both sides. It shouldn't stop at one of the rays. From here, you're going to take your compass, put the metal part on the intersection of your arc and one of your rays. Put the metal part on the intersection of the arc and one of your rays. Now, you're going to draw a new arc out here in the middle. Okay. It doesn't matter if it's the same distance or not. But once you draw this new arc, don't change your compass. Okay? So you're going to draw a new arc from the intersection of your arc and one of the rays. And that's when we drew this new arc out here in the middle. Okay? Then don't change your compass. Move the metal point to the other arc and ray intersection and draw the same ray. Now you have this point. Who has an idea of what we're going to do next? How?
Like putting your straight edge through the point.
Exactly. Put your straight edge from point A through. No, mine's not going to work. Okay. Put your intersection from point A through the intersection of your two new rays. And you're going to connect it with a line. Now, you bisected your angle. So once you've bisected it, guys, one last thing I want you to do is you're going to mark it. So if you bisected it, what do you know about these two angles?
They're congruent.
They're congruent. So we'd mark that one